Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can go live on TikTok with games. So you're just going to enable either display capture or a game by pressing add source here, and then go to game capture add, and then you can either capture any full screen, or I'll just select capture specific application. Then I'm just going to select Roblox for this, and then I'm going to add source. And then as you can see, it will only capture Roblox, then the full screen, and you're just going to put it on like this, and people will be able to see you play the game. And whenever you alt tab to another app like Discord or whatsoever, they cannot see the tab. And yeah, you'll see the game here also on the left. And that is it for this video. I hope it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it for this video. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!